Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I want to share some important information with you about a high-quality supplement called Joint Genesis. This product has been designed to help improve joint health and support flexibility, particularly for those experiencing discomfort or mobility issues as they age. If you're someone who's been struggling with joint pain or stiffness, especially as you're getting older, or if you know someone who is, then this is definitely worth paying attention to. Joint Genesis is designed to help people regain their mobility and joint health in a completely natural way, without having to rely on medications filled with chemicals. Before we dive deeper, I want to highlight something very important. Make sure you only purchase Joint Genesis from the official website. Unfortunately, people have been buying from unofficial sources and getting disappointed because they received fake products that don't work, or worse, they experienced side effects. So to avoid that, I've left the official website link in the description and the first pinned comment below to make sure you can make a safe purchase. So let's get to the big question. Does Joint Genesis really work? Joint Genesis is a trusted supplement, and it's made from a powerful blend of herbal extracts, vitamins, and plant-based ingredients that are carefully selected to help improve joint health. One of the main reasons people start to experience joint pain as they age is the loss of synovial fluid, the fluid that lubricates and cushions your joints. Without enough of this fluid, the joints can become inflamed, stiff, and painful. Joint Genesis works by replenishing that vital fluid and helping to reduce any inflammation that's causing discomfort. Some of the key ingredients in Joint Genesis include bioperine, boswellia, and ginger root, among others. These natural ingredients work together to not only support the joints, but also provide overall benefits like reducing inflammation, detoxifying the body, and improving mobility. The formula is completely free from GMOs, stimulants, and any harmful chemicals, so you can take it daily without worrying about any long-term side effects. Now, while Joint Genesis is primarily focused on helping your joints, it doesn't stop there. Many users report that after taking it consistently, they notice improvements in their energy levels, immune system, and overall well-being. It's not just a joint supplement, it's designed to help you feel better all around. If you're wondering if Joint Genesis has any side effects, the answer is no. Since it's made from ingredients, there have been no reports of negative side effects. However, as with any supplement, it's important to follow the recommended dosage and give it time to work. Joint Genesis isn't a quick fix, it's a long-term solution. The best results are typically seen after 3 to 6 months of consistent use, which is why they recommend using it daily for at least that amount of time. Another thing to keep in mind is that Joint Genesis comes with a 180-day money-back guarantee. So if for any reason you're not satisfied with the results, or it just doesn't work for you, you can contact their customer service through the official website and get a full refund. No questions asked. That's how confident they are in their product. If you're dealing with joint pain or stiffness, or you know someone who is, I highly recommend giving Joint Genesis a try. It's a natural, safe, and effective way to support your joint health without having to rely on medications or risky treatments. Plus, with the money-back guarantee, there's really nothing to lose. Thanks so much for watching, and if you're ready to take the next step toward better joint health, don't forget to click the link to the official website in the description box or the pinned comment below. See you next time.